Yo, thanks for the ride, Shane. Yeah, I'll see you in a couple of hours. Peace. Hey. Alright guys, early morning for me. We're at the airport and my buddy Shane actually just dropped me off and it's 6 a.m. right now. I have a flight in like an hour that's heading to Edmonton and I bought this flight on a whim because today is the day I'm actually picking up my new car, my new drift build. This is gonna give me new content for the channel, but also it's gonna be fun for me to start a brand new project. And the car that I'm picking up is almost completely stock, so I'm gonna be starting from scratch, and that's awesome. Why did I decide to take a flight if this place that I'm picking up the car is only 3 hours away? Well, this flight is like 30 minutes, and I would have rather paid the extra $30 for a $100 flight than pay $70 for gas, even though I have to drive a car back anyways. But hey, it saves me the trip going there, and that's why I decided to time everything right and just grab the earliest flight, the earliest, cheapest flight possible. My buddy Vince is actually gonna meet me in Edmonton, so it's still a really early day. I got myself some Jugo juice, some protein, and ready to start the day. I'll see you guys in like 50 minutes. Wow, it is brisk, but we're in Edmonton. Vince says he's here. Greenish gray BMW. Greenish gray BMW. Yo. Can you just put this in this back?
Yeah, just put it there.
Yo, thanks, man. Yo, Vince, what up, dude? How are you? Freaking cold. What is this, man? Yo, thanks. Hey. I was supposed to go to church today, too.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Edmonton.
Like churches?
Yeah, but it's actually really nice out in Calgary, so it's not too bad. I think just in the back alley there.
Oh, it's in a garage?
It was, but it should be here. Oh, there it is. Sick.
Ooh.
Hey.
Yo, that's like a drift build. Yo, it's Asian.
Awesome, dude.
Just park here.
Yeah, sure. All right.
It's
So,
like a total project.
yeah, it's completely stock too. We'll show you guys the car. Pleasure, man.
Yeah, for sure.
A little nicer this time around.
Yeah,
So.
well, it's kind of, I remember you were here like at the same time, it was winter. Like,
Alright.
I've had this thing for 2 years now, right? It's just been sitting around. I don't know what my intention was to do with it, but it's just been sitting parked here.
Give it a shot.
No, it's not getting it.
Nada. It's currently not running, but I'm gonna try to give this a shot. Yeah, cross fingers. Oh, we got power. Oh.
Oh, shit.
A little bit better than that.
Yeah, it's getting there.
Yeah.
Now remember, this thing's been out of commission for a couple months now.
Foot too. I'm touching everything. We got power though.
Hey! See?
Dude, it's fucking straight, man.
Damn. Sounds like it, eh?
Yeah.
So, the battery on that thing is holding nothing. And when Vince took off the charger, it just completely died. So right now we're heading to Princess Auto to get a new battery for that thing. So hopefully we can drive that thing home. Alright guys, this is it. Believe it or not, I've always wanted an E36 for the longest time. Now I got one. So this is like perfect platform to have fun with. Just visiting Vince because he says he has a couple of spare winter tires that he's willing to give me. Huh?
Are you okay with the backs? They're all ripped.
They're all wet?
No, they got ripped out.
Oh, that's okay, man. I'll see if I can fit everything in the trunk first. Okay. Thanks.
They're like I'm not gonna sell them because it's been like.
Yeah, these are real winters.
Yeah. Those are like one of the good brands other than the Michelin's. They're from Cal Tire.
Bruh, look at this. The door card's off. I'll show you guys more of the interior when we get back to the garage. But for now, get the gist. Ace?
Does that, you might, should I just push it or?
You can, yeah, go ahead.
Should fit.
Yeah, man.
I have to like force it out.
And then I'll just put that in the back seat.
Yeah, I'll grab you a garbage bag.
This is the only way I can close the door. Awesome, bruh. We're gonna follow Vince, do a quick car wash, then we can get going back on this 3-hour drive back to Calgary. Vince and his new Beamer, both repping Beamers, both the same engine displacement.
I woke up with another siren in my mind. I can't decide if I was dreaming or alive. There's something circling the water where I'm swimming. Smoking weed is telling me the demon isn't winning, but girl, I'ma tell you what's next. I could play the role, filler if you really want that. I could be the one that you're gonna wanna want back. Even if I read into it deep, I got the combat ready on.
Yo, that is a badass looking truck.
Sick. I'll write the plot for you, but won't implement an ending. My eyes are realizing what I'm witnessing is tempting, but
Right, here comes the savior of the day. Because I don't have any microfiber towels. The Beamer crew. Who would have thought? So crazy, man. Yeah, I know, right? JDM to Euro. I have so many plans for this thing. But first things first, we gotta diagnose it and check all the fluids and figure out if it's actually like proper to be on the street. Other than that, I do have a vision for it.
I need some rims though.
Yeah, me too, me too. Oh, thanks, man. Thanks. Window crack. Grab that. And this. I think that's it, dude. Yeah. Guess I'll let you know if I'm missing anything.
Yeah, for sure, man.
Vince, thank you, sir.
See you again, man.
Yeah,
See you
yeah.
Maybe
Catch you
sooner,
later.
maybe sooner.
Exactly. Come visit us in Calgary, dude.
Gas is cheaper
Also-
now, so I can visit.
Just a little bit, but our dollar sucks still, so. Euro beats.
Start our own Euro group, man.
Let's! Yo! Okay, calling all Beamer people or European car people, okay? We're starting a crew. This is the first European car I've ever touched.
Yeah.
So,
That's actually my first Euro car too.
right, yeah.
I've never owned a Euro car.
He recently just sold his Prelude to move up to this thing, so.
Big jump, man.
Yeah, I wasn't expecting to be picked up in this, honestly. Good luck. Now all the viewers at home expect to see progress.
Hopefully, because I don't know, man. This is gonna be hard.
Yeah, school, priorities. Hey man, you know what you want in life, go get it. All right.
Racer. Yo, peace out, dude.
Be a racer, man. Alright guys, gonna go quickly fill up gas and then we can head straight back home because I started today a little too early and I still need to catch up with my sleep. So, we're doing one fill up. Not entirely sure what kind of gas I should be using for this car, but I chose 94 Premium. This is gonna be its true test, is me driving it back to Calgary. Alright. We'll switch to GoPro mode.
let me recollect myself first. My lids are dropping low like that DG self-worth. I'm only under 20, gotta learn how health works. Maybe when I do, then she'll cast me. I could play the role, oh, cinematic and she know, oh. She could probably cast whoever, but give me the lead and we'll last together. I could play the role, oh, cinematic and she know, oh. She could probably.
Alright, so here it is, guys. This is a 1999 BMW 323 IS. The guy was asking for $3,500, but I managed to knock down a couple of grand. And the only thing I had to do was buy a new battery for it and drive it down 3 hours, which wasn't too bad because as you can see, we made it here in one piece. I don't know why I didn't take the chance to do this while we were there. I haven't even opened the hood yet, so we don't know what's under there. We'll go over the car, show you guys its condition, show you the interior, and also closer to the end of this video, give you a small idea of what plans I have for this build. Now you're probably asking, why E36? A lot of my friends actually recommended this for a first drift build, and actually, A lot of people online in general say that the E36 is a really good platform to learn drifting on, especially for a beginner. I admire how boxy it is, and I'm a 90s kid, so I really like the boxy cars as opposed to the curvy cars. If I found an E30 instead, I probably would have went for that, but E36s are so dope, and a lot of people do recommend them for a first drift build. And there's a lot of YouTubers that I'm actually following that I'm probably going to be taking inspiration from eventually, and I have been already. To name a few off the bat, I follow Taylor Ray, Adam LZ, TJ Hunt's getting better at drifting, Chelsea Denofa, who actually probably, one of his videos is what taught me how to drift my FRS more properly. Big Boost Alberto has a sick E36, and it's like drift spec, all turboed out. Driftworks is a good one. Norb Films is an underrated channel and has really, really good, amazing quality content. Chris Fix, there's so many channels out there that are very helpful and just very to the point when it comes to drifting and how to build a proper drift build. It's all available and it's all for free, so I'm just gonna use that free knowledge into building this thing for myself. I've actually already planned out everything that's gonna go into this drift build, from what it looks like to what parts are going on it. Everything I've already envisioned in this brain, and I just have to take the time to do it. But of course, before we get started on any of that, we have to make sure that it is in proper driving condition and that I'm able to even build on top of this platform. We'll get the hood open, show you guys what's under the hood. This is it this side usually? Okay. What? First question with a European car, how do you open a BMW hood? Or is this normal? I took out my grill and trying to feel for cables, because apparently you can just find the cable and tug it. Also, I've seen people just go into their corner headlight from this, like so. Oh, there you go, dude. Oh, thank God.
Trust issue she got.
Other than leaves and like some webs, this is actually really clean. I do have plans of replacing this, so stay tuned. Doors functioning. The only thing is you open it up and the door card is missing. I'd say this guy has started the process for me. Previous owner actually had planned for this to be a track car, and that's why he already started on taking things apart, but he never got around to it. And I think he ended up buying a newer BMW, and this just sat there for 2 years, so now it's here. Just really quick little tour of the inside of this car. That works. Wait, what? Is that supposed to be for cup holders? Yeah, right, dude. Are there like any hidden buttons in here or something? I've seen that before, man. I've seen like cup holders pop out of BMWs. Oh shit. Whoops. There's actually so much wiring in here that's just not even connected. And if I look at any wiring harness, I will not know what I'm doing. Unless I'm looking at a tutorial and following some sort of guide. So that's probably what we're gonna be doing for most of this build. And that's how we learn too, is we throw ourselves off the cliff and we flap our wings, or we go on Google and search up a tutorial on how to flap our wings. Super clean in the back too. It's just really, really well maintained inside. It's just kind of in pieces right now. But honestly, I think I'm gonna have to go through the effort of taking these pieces off anyway down the line. I'm gonna be replacing the steering wheel, try to get all of the mechanics figured out. The trunk, that's okay. There's missing lugs, there's some minor body rust, but nothing too crazy back here as well. It is a 323, so this is like pushing 160 horsepower. This side's also missing a lug. Dude, how did this thing make it? This thing's a beast. It will be a beast. You're a beast. I don't like this though. Plasti dip or what? Let's get that BMW in shining state. I'll do this eventually.
Yeah. So take me somewhere cool. places only we know. Gotta get my time before she call up Tarantino and end up in the theater on a screen in the casino in a 007 scene like Holy Toledo. Am I dreaming or not? I need a totem just to show him that I'm real. Come on. Now I know that you're thinking about us both, and wherever it goes, I'll be ready on my toes. Yeah.
So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Really excited to start on a new build for this channel, to show you guys the process of what goes into drift build, especially from a beginner's point of view. The exciting thing about this is just the start of a brand new project and something new to learn on. So we get to do everything all over again, and the fact that this is almost completely stock is beautiful. So thank you guys for watching. Looking forward to the new year and what it brings for us, but at the same time, it's what you bring to the table that rewards you with whatever it is that you deserve, and it is really on how driven one person is to accomplish these things towards that set goal. So I have a to-do list, and now I just have to start crossing things off that list. So, and I hope you guys do the same, because it is the dawn of a new year, and you don't want to repeat something that really isn't worth repeating and is a waste of your time. So learn from experience. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you want to get updated on when new videos come out on this channel, hit that sub button, drop a like, leave some good vibes in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Yeah.